Question 19 on the foundation and 1 on the higher tier. It's the first of the crossover questions. We're converting a number to standard form. So a standard form is where this is 508 million. So you're bringing it down just to have one number in front of that decimal point. So that 5 that was in the 100 millions is being brought all the way down to be this 5. All the other digits stay in order. So I can write 082. So 082. And I hopefully gave you a bit more space than this. And then we got to times it by 10 to the power of something, because I've changed that 500 million just to be number 5 there. So that 5, really, we know it should be a few columns higher up. And how many columns is it? Well, the 5 is in the 1, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's got to move up 8 columns. So that's 8 lots of times 10 to the power of minus 8, not minus 8, 8. And you can, look, calculator paper, how can we do this? So menu 1 to go back to the normal thing, 5.082. When you think you've got that answer right, you could try it. And I use that button to get the power of 8 and try it out. And just double check that that is the number you had, okay? If you type that number in to start with, then in your ordering thing here, it's not changing its standard form, but you can always double check your answer afterwards. And just like this next one, the 8.06, when it's times by 10, now that was the button to go for the power. It kind of gives you that blank space there. So we want to put in minus 4, so negative 4, press equals, it comes up with that. Well, what can we change it? We can press that standard answer to a decimal. It comes by that. And in fact, it doesn't. I was expecting it to tell me. Maybe I've got it on a funny mode. Okay, I need to play with that probably off screen. But it's smaller because, so I'll go the non-calculator approach. The 8 was there in front of that decimal point. It's moving 4 columns smaller. So the 8 was here. It moves 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns. That's where the 8 is. The 0 and the 6 stay to the right of it. And all these other ones then get filled in with these placeholder zeros. Okay, so we've got 0.000806. If you put it in your calculator, you'll see it goes to that, and my one's given it to me in standing next form. So again, we can check our answer to see if it is correct.